How to get refund on Temu without returning. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application from your device and get logged into your Temu account. Now, if you would like to refund your amount without returning the item, then here is what you can do. Tap onto Use section on your bottom right, then tap on this headphone icon on your top page. Under Support, tap onto Contact Us. Now here type in that you would like to get a refund of the item. Also mention the product ID. And once you do so, if Temu thinks that your product is eligible for a refund or if your product is just a couple of dollars, you will be able to get refund without having to return the item. So this usually happens when the purchase amount is less than the shipping expenses. In that case, you might be able to get a refund from Temu. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you have found it to be helpful, then do like and subscribe.